Usually, we may ask why we should go to a compounding pharmacy or what is the difference between a compounding pharmacy and a retail pharmacy. In pharmacy, compounding is a process of customizing medication for a patient that has to be done by a licensed pharmacist that has to go through a lot of training in order to be able to make a customized medication for a patient. While manufacturing is a mass production of a drug for distribution to the pharmacy or hospitals. Compounding involves combining ingredients to create a custom medication. It can include changing the form, strength, or dosage of a medication. It can involve adding flavor or removing allergens. It can include reformulating a drug for a new delivery method. It's done to meet the specific needs of a patient and should only be done when there's a therapeutic need or when the product isn't available. While manufacturing involves producing large quantities of FDA approved drugs, involves creating drug in preset formulas and dosage, involves producing drug for distribution to the pharmacies and hospitals, it leaves little room for customization for the patient of a special need. Compounding can be a good option when a patient needs a specialized medication that is not commercially available. However, compounded drugs are not the same as FDA approved drugs and can fail to meet some specification. For example, a compounded medication has a shorter expiry date compared to a drug that has been made by a manufacturer company. If you have any further question, don't hesitate to reach us. All this information is available on my website, which is www.compoundcreation.ca. Thank you so much for your attention. Have a wonderful weekend.